Welcome to our complete SEO course for beginners 2025. Hi, I'm Abbas, a certified SEO expert at VisionTechMarketing. With over 5 years of experience in digital marketing, I'll guide you through SEO basics to advanced strategies. This training includes the following modules: Introduction to SEO, Keyword Research, On-Page SEO, Technical SEO, Off-Page SEO, Content Marketing and SEO, Local SEO, SEO Tools and Platforms, SEO Auditing, Advanced SEO Techniques, SEO Reporting and Tracking, Building an SEO Career or Agency. Why this training matters. SEO is vital for online success. Through this training, you will essential knowledge and skills for enhancing online visibility, driving traffic to websites. Ready to take action? Start optimizing your site and grow your traffic. Let's dive in and enhance your SEO skills together.